Hi, I'm Mike Dandle, Lieutenant with the Cottage Grove Fire Department, and I'm here to talk to you today about smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are an alarm system for your home in the event of smoke conditions. This detector itself is a battery only. So there's a 9-volt battery in here. Some are hardwired. They can be mounted up high on the ceiling or the wall. It is recommended by law that they be put one on every floor, especially outside your bedroom areas where you sleep. And it's even recommended that even in those bedrooms that there's actually smoke detectors in the bedrooms as well. We have those sound sleepers who may not hear that alarm sounding outside in the hallway, but if there's a problem in the room, it would alert them as well. Daylight savings is a good example of when to change the batteries in a smoke detector. So we know that that's 2 times a year. They're recommended that they're tested weekly. In fact, it even writes it right on the detector itself. So just to test your detector, is just right onto the button and you'll just push and hold it. Then it will sound. On this one, it just has a push to silence it, or they do tend to silence themselves. Any questions on smoke detectors, feel free to contact the Cottage Grove Fire Department.